If you're a graphic designer in 2023 and you're looking for a way to start making money online, I am going to be sharing with you guys how I go about creating digital products like this just for free with my mobile phone and uploading it on a website called Master Bundles. It's completely free and easy, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my tricks. You don't need to do anything from scratch. So the app I'm going to be working with is Dall.E app, and we're going to be using the website Master Bundles to sell this product out for free. So as you can see, this is actually a product I uploaded on Master Bundles and it's completely free. The good thing about this is that you'll be able to make $25 on every 50 products you actually upload on Master Bundles for free. But you can actually go ahead and sell your product on the website for money. But right now, Master Bundles is actually giving out $25 bonus to every graphic designer that uploads products on the website. So you don't want to go anywhere, and without you following what I'm going to be showing you in this video, you will not be able to make money with this website. So let's dive into the video. So once you have installed the app and signed in with your email or your Google account, what you want to do is to add a detailed description of whatever image or illustration you want to create. So for this video, I'm working with a watercolor floral birds singing. So just go ahead and click on generate and allow it to download, and you're going to see the magic. So here are the images that it has helped me to generate. You can see how pretty these images are, and the good thing about this is you can actually use this image for illustration. And if you're not satisfied with the images that were generated, you can click on the variations and it will bring out more images that you can actually go with. Then once you're done, you can just go ahead and click on the save icon and it will download it into your phone gallery. Then just go ahead and go to your Canva app and convert all of the images to SVG files. Because whenever you're posting on the website Master Bundles, you need to have SVG files and you need to have PNG files. That is to enable your the people downloading your files to have variations of file that they prefer. As long as you upload up to 50 products on the website, you are going to be getting $25 for free, and you're not going to withdraw that $25 unless the money is up to $50. And the good thing here is that you can actually go about this challenge unlimited number of time, and you're actually going to cash out your money within a period of 1 week, as long as you're dedicated and you're actually consistent in doing this. The good thing with Master Bundles is that you can actually sell your products for money. There are lots of products I'm going to be leaving on the screen you can actually sell on the website for money, $25, any amount that you actually want to sell your products on that people can actually purchase. So if you found this video helpful and you want to see more videos like this on this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification button. You also want to like this video so you will be able to suggest this video to more people, and it will be able to help and impact more people. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.